Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl, TheKeyisME, and I am back again with another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you some of my favorite clip-ins that I have from HerGivenHair. As you know, I've done a few reviews on their clip-ins, and I still have them, and I love them so much because you can get multiple use out of them. So as you can see, this is what we are working with when it comes to the hair. This texture is in the coily texture, and I believe it is between the 3C4A type of curl. And this is what it's looking like straight out of the pack. I do go ahead and just condition the hair, and then this is what it looks like after I wash it. So in this video, we're not going to do a curly style. We're actually going to do a wand curl style. So as you can see in the middle, I have a little bit of leave out that I'm going to cover the clip-ins with, and I have the rest of my hair braided down. And when I first started this style, I put the hair in curly, but as you can see, I'm going to go ahead and brush those curls out to get kind of like a kinky straight type of look. And as you can see, this is what we are working with after I went ahead and put all of the clip-ins in. To be honest, it looks just like my natural hair. I definitely can say that these clip-ins, as you can see, is like a natural brown color, and my hair is a little darker than that. But other than that, after the style is finished, you can't really tell, but I just wanted to point that out, that it is a difference in color when it comes to the clip-ins. So I'm just going to go ahead and part my hair down, and then I'm going to go in with my curling wand. To be honest, it really doesn't matter which barrel you use. I believe I'm using a 1.5 inch. And just one important thing, you just want to make sure you go in with heat protectant. That is very, very, very important. Going in with heat protectant is going to help you protect the actual hair. And then I do want to point out as well that you're going to see a lot of smoke in this video. I'm telling you, it's the heat protecting spray. It has nothing to do with the hair burning. The hair did not burn at all. My natural hair did not burn. I'm telling you, it is the product. So I don't know if y'all could tell or not, but as you can see, I now have on a glove. You definitely just want to make sure you're being extremely careful when using these curlers, because I definitely burned myself in this video. But now that we're moving up to the top, you just want to make sure that you're not leaving the wand curl up against your natural hair as long as you would the actual clip-ins, because you don't want to cause heat damage for your hair. So that is one important thing. And then we're just gonna let the music play, and then I will meet y'all in a couple minutes for the final results. Okay, so as y'all can see, this is the finished look. How y'all like it? Y'all like it? Y'all like it? Move that back. So yeah, what I'm gonna do right now is I'm going to go in with some edge control. We can get these edges intact. I think I want to start doing videos where I can like talk to you guys, because a lot of my hair tutorials, I really don't talk. I just do the voiceovers, play a little bit of music, and that be that. So yeah, as you can see, I've had these clip-ins for a while now. One thing I love about HerGivenHair is that you can get so many multi-use styles out of the purchases that you make. And not only do I have these clip-ins from them, but I also have a half wig. If y'all like to see me do more videos on that, half wigs is definitely those wigs for those ladies that don't want to commit to lace right now, or that they're not really used to wigs, so they don't really want to dab into it fully all the way by wearing an actual lace frontal or a closure wig. So I definitely think that the half wig would definitely be beneficial to my ladies that don't want to wear the wigs yet. As you can see, we're just going in with some edge control, just trying to get it intact. Just gonna do that, smooth this out, and then I'm gonna go in with a little bit of oil on my fingers, and I am going to, as you can see right here, I got a little bit of this coming up, so let me fix it. My clip was coming up a little bit. Okay. So of course you're gonna see the little shine right there. It's just the edge control. I don't know how to make it go away. Left a little bit of my leave out. So the curls are juicy, they are popping. I didn't experience any, to me, I don't think the hair will really reach heat damage level. And I say that because I did not have my curling iron too high. And on top of that, I did use some heat protecting spray. So I definitely think it's very important for you to use heat protecting spray when you're doing any type of styles that require you to have heat in it. As you can see, minimum leave out, and it is all covered and good to go. So I'm just gonna, this is BioSilk, literally the GOAT for anything weave related. It definitely helps prevent frizz, which I know I'm going to get some frizz with this just because of the texture of the hair. So I'm just gonna go ahead and saturate my hair with oil, and I'm going to go through and separate some of the curls. I'm not gonna separate a lot of them, just a couple, just to get the style going a little bit more. This is the finished look, so I am going to put all of the information down in the description box for HerGivenHair and these clip-ins. I believe I might have a discount code. If I have a discount code, I will definitely put that down in the description box below. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you could please like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.